Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how a perceptor actually learns. The algorithm shown here is called the Perceptron Learning Algorithm, and it is one of the earliest and simplest training methods in machine learning. We start by dividing our input data into two sets: P, which contains only input labels as 1, N, which contains all the inputs labeled as 0. Next, we initialize the weight vector randomly. At the beginning, the perceptron doesn't know anything about the correct decision boundary, so the weights start with the arbitrary values. Then, the learning process begins. As long as the perceptron has not correctly classified all samples, we repeat the following steps. First, pick a random input from either P or N. Next, if the input belongs to P, meaning its true label is 1, but the perceptron incorrectly classifies it as 0, then the dot product W times X will be less than 0. In that case, we update the weight by adding X. This shifts the decision boundary so that the perceptron becomes more likely to classify that point correctly next time. Similarly, if the input belongs to N, label 0, but the perceptron wrongly predicts it as 1, the W times X will be greater than or equal to 0. So, we update the weights by subtracting X, moving the boundary in the opposite direction. This simple update rule gradually pushes the decision boundary into the correct position. The algorithm stops or converges when all the training inputs are classified correctly. What's remarkable is that for linearly separable data, this algorithm is guaranteed to find a solution. Despite being simple, it introduced the core idea of learning by adjusting weights, which is still at the heart of deep learning.